Button. Contacts. Mommy. Speech off.
Hey guys, today I'm going to be playing a game that some people probably haven't heard of. And this game is called Silly Seagull for mini games. So, what this game is you have to, so you're basically flying, and yeah, I'm pretty good at it. Like, so you're basically flying, and if you hear an alarm go off, and it says like, eat food, that means you need to eat something to restore your energy. And if you hear an alarm go off and it says poop, that means your seagull needs to poop. And you have to say release to release the poop. Sorry, I woke up a few minutes ago. I just woke up a few minutes ago, so don't mind that. Now, I have to get up for this one because the alarms are fast. I gotta get up for this one. Now, for a disclaimer, please mute your echo devices because I will be using the word trigger phrase, whatever you want to call it. Alexa, open Silly Seagull.
I can do that on Fire TV.
Alexa, stop. I'm not saying. Alexa, open the Silly Seagull skill.
Silly Seagull is part of mini games. To play it, Lexa will need to connect you.
Got it. Silly Seagull would like to use
voice.
mini games to do that.
I
May I
forgot.
send a request to mini games?
Yes. I forgot. I had a British accent on my echo. Silly seagull, how far will you fly? I like
Remember,
that song.
say eat food to restore energy. Say release
Got it.
to release the poop chute. Are you ready to play?
Yes.
100 energy.
He's fine.
75 energy.
75.
Say eat food to restore your energy. Low energy.
Eat food. I just pushed the button.
Stop eating my watermelon.
You've traveled 50 meters. 49 energy. Low energy.
Uh-oh. Eat food.
That silly seagull stole my chocolate ice cream.
Take that.
6 energy. 75 energy.
Yummy. Eat food.
3.
Release. Kind of reminds me of the alarm sound on iPhone. Eat food. This is a thing. Power. Hee
Restore 100.
hee. Eat food.
Silly Seagull, give me back my milkshake.
49.
Take that. Eat food.
Silly seagull, you took my donuts.
Eat food. For a second, I thought the... Release. Oh my gosh. Power. Hee-hee.
Poop and energy restored.
Eat food.
Whoa. Energy crash.
Whoa.
Time for a birdie break.
Tell me about it.
You traveled a total of
Whoa.
157 meters. Top tier traveler.
What on God's
You
green
earned 5
earth?
points. Would you like to play again or play a different game?
Stop.
Thanks for playing.
Hey there, if you love head-scratching math, word, and logic games,
Ignore this one.
saying enable puzzle games.
Well, that is me playing Silly Seagull. Thanks for watching.